Mother's Day gift ideas for your mama, Homeopathy edition. Seems like postpartum depression and postpartum anxiety are more and more common these days. And this is where homeopathy can really shine. Homeopathy is safe for pregnant and nursing mothers and for babies. And these remedies can work so quickly and so beautifully. If I know of a new mom, especially a first-time mom, where I don't know what she might be like after giving birth, this is something that I usually include with either the meal train or a baby shower gift. And of course, now that Mother's Day is coming up, it would be something that I would throw in with a Mother's Day gift as well. 3 remedies for this are Sepia 200, really great for just the fact that your hormones are going nuts and you might need something to help bring those back into balance. Ignatia Amara 200 is really wonderful if there's just a sense of sadness that you can't shake and it makes you want to cry. And finally, for some really deep-seated kind of depression, Aurum Metallicum 200 is a great remedy, and it's made out of gold. The Ignatia I would take kind of on demand as I'm feeling sad. The Sepia might take once every 3 days if you need that additional support. The Ignatia might handle it. And then the Aurum is if, again, it's a really deep-seated, long-lasting, I'd take that every 3rd day. I've linked these remedies over in my bio for easy access, but you can definitely get the Ignatia 200 and the Sepia 200 from any Sprouts. I've also made a handy little printout that you can give with sweet wishes and some instructions for the mom receiving these. Follow for more homeopathy tips.